Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's WordPress tutorial for beginners video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is in a tutorial to embed a YouTube video into your blog post article. So I'm live here in my WordPress blog, and I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to add a YouTube video into this article. It's not a completed article yet, so we're going to use what's called the block editor. I'm going to upload one of my videos from my channel, and after this I'll show you how simple and easy it is to upload a video from another creator if you want to use somebody else's videos. Maybe you haven't created your own videos yet. So what you do is you hover your mouse over here, click on the image, and then it will highlight where you need to be below the image. Excuse me. And then you just click your mouse on type to choose a block. And this cross here, this symbol is called the block editor. So all you do is you just click on there and it brings up your options, 6 different options. We're going to click on YouTube, and then it automatically puts this block underneath your content, and we're going to go into our YouTube studio, and then all you do is in your YouTube studio, depending on which video you want to embed, you'll see under the thumbnail here it says video link, and there's a little square here, copy video link. So you just click on there, and then down here it says link copy to clipboard. So really beginner friendly, anyone can do this. And then the cursor's already flashing here, enter URL to embed. So all you do is just do Control V and then click on embed, and then it'll just take a little while to load, and then the video is then embedded into the blog post. So very, very simple, very beginner friendly. And I'll remove that one. So you click on these 3 dots here under options. I'll remove that one, and I'll show you how you can embed another creator's video. So same again, just click the block, and I'm going to go into YouTube, and then I've already opened this tab here. I'm going to use an example of Darren Brown. And Darren Brown, if you're not familiar with Darren Brown, he's an excellent affiliate marketer and trainer and coach. So I recommend you go over to his channel, Darren Brown, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing. And he really is does some superb trainings and gives away lots of value on his channel. So all you do is within the address bar is the URL. So you just click your mouse on there, and it will highlight the URL of any YouTube video, and then you just press Control and C on your keyboard. You come back into your WordPress article, and the cursor is flashing again, enter URL to embed here. You go on Control V on your keyboard, and it'll put the URL into there. You just click embed, and then Darren's video will appear on here. So very, very simple, very, very beginner friendly. And if you'd like to learn how to do this and how to start your own blog or niche website, then there'll be a link in the description where you can get a free training to Wealthy Affiliate. This is where the training I use to start my blog, and where I'm building my blog out with the training in Wealthy Affiliate. Totally free to join, and they'll teach you a simple 4-step proven formula on how to become successful with a blog, excuse me, or niche website. And you'll see here they've been doing this for 18 years. So you're in very, very safe hands with Wealthy Affiliate. I'll put a link to my blog here. I'll link my blog to I'll pin it to the top comment below this video if you want to have a look at my blog. So everything you see on this blog is what I've learned through the training within Wealthy Affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video on social media as well. And please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. I'm currently doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about WordPress or anything to do with the content in this video, then please leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.